Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY no-sew mudcloth throw blanket. For this project I'm using a sheet of mudcloth that I got at my local flea market, as well as sepia that I got from Joann's Fabrics. I'll also be using my iron, as well as heat bond ultra hold adhesive made for heavy fabrics. So for the first step in making this throw blanket, I've placed the sepia fabric side down, so the back of the sepia is facing towards me, and I am putting I've already in this video have put the heat bond on top of the sepia, and I'm using my iron so that way it will stick to the sepia. And then I'm going to remove the white sheet once it has adhered and add the mudcloth fabric to it. So here I decided to remove the heat bond ultra hold adhesive sheet one section at a time, mostly because I'm not using the right size table for this project. So if you decide to do this, you would definitely need a longer table or a long hard surface. And because my craft space is small, I decided to just go section by section when I go to adding the mudcloth to the back of this heat bond adhesive. I would also suggest, if you happen to have a circuit easy press, this would be an ideal project for that, because it does take a lot of heat to get the adhesive to bond to the fabric. And here you have it. As you can see, the faux fur sepia is adhered to the mudcloth, just like it would a regular throw blankets. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it gave you some inspiration, some things that you guys can do for the fall. So if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Please feel free to leave me a comment, and of course you can always share. See you guys next week.